Hey guys, I hope you all had a great weekend. Excuse the wet head. I just want to get on here and let you know we're back from our trip. We just got back from a trip, my dad's 90th birthday and my husband's birthday, which was wonderful. Um, we had some very sad news, and the reason I'm on here is sort of for you to please keep my friend. Um, Her husband passed away on Friday, and just please keep them in your thoughts and prayers. He had a heart attack, and he was driving, and so many people tried to save him. And this makes me, I don't want this to be a sad video, but I want you to be aware of what can happen. We all have friends that we love. We all have family members we love. And maybe we just don't tell them as much as we should that we love them and care about them. Thankfully, I always let my friend's husband know how much we cared about him. Last time we saw each other, we gave a big hug, as always. Hugs are so wonderful. I'll always remember that hug. I didn't realize, no one realized, that would be the last time I would see him. His family's very devastated, as you would think they would be. You know that. That's the way it is. But we never ever know. I remember in 1994, we had a neighbor, and as he was leaving, he waved at me. He also had a heart attack at work. We never know, is my point. When the last time you see someone, who matter it is, if it's a family member or whatever, you just love them, call them, keep in touch with them. It's so important. You'll have no regrets if you do that. I hope you guys have a great day and a happy day. Be kind. Be kinder than they are. And don't forget to give a smile. If you do, you might get one back. It might be a smile that that person will never forget. I love you guys. I'm sending you a hug. Until tomorrow.